Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, D.I.Y. Children, in this session we are going to learn how to make a pencil box out of cardboard. For this we need cardboard, craft paper, velcro tape, strong glue, scissors or cutter. First take a rectangle cardboard of dimension 20 cm into 12 cm. Then cut two other rectangle pieces of dimension 20 cm into 2.5 cm. Again we need two other rectangle pieces for the sides of dimension 11 cm into 2.5 cm. Now wrap all the pieces with craft paper. We will get like this. Then glue all the pieces to the base. We will get a box like this. We are going to make another box of the same dimension. So cut rectangle piece of cardboard of dimension 20 cm into 12 cm and other pieces of dimension 20 cm into 2.5 cm and 11 cm into 2.5 cm. Again wrap them with craft paper and glue all the pieces to the base to form another box. Now cut another two rectangle pieces of dimension 20 cm into 6.5 cm and 20 cm into 5 cm. Then cover it with craft paper. These two pieces are for the top. And another three rectangle pieces. Two rectangle pieces of same dimension 19.5 cm into 2.5 cm and a smaller rectangle piece of 4.7 cm into 2.5 cm. Here take two craft paper of dimension double the size of this rectangle piece and stick it to the back of the rectangle piece. So here is the craft paper. We have to stick behind this cardboard piece. Then we are going to glue both the cardboard pieces. So here see, we have glued the cardboard pieces and not the craft paper. Okay, just glue the cardboard pieces. On the top apply glue and stick to one of the boxes in the middle. And then we have made another rectangle piece, small rectangle piece. Here you stick that. Like this we have to give partitions. Then we have made two pieces for the top. So place them on one of the boxes and glue this chart paper to the top. So this will act as hinge. We can open and close this cardboard. Then cut 4 strips of paper for the lock and glue wherever you need the lock. So we have made two boxes, one with partitions and another one a plain one. Now place this box over the other box and glue craft paper to the back, joining both the boxes. So this will also act as hinge. We can open the boxes also. So the back will be like this. Here to differentiate between the two boxes, I have stick another color craft paper here. Then cover the box with designer sheet. Then glue velcro tape to the strips of paper. So sides will be like this, first box and second box, and front will be like this. Here you have to stick another strip of paper to form a lock for the bottom box. So you have to stick that sheet under the first box. So here glue velcro to form the lock. So front will be like this. Bottom we will be getting one box, top we will be getting another box like this. Now on the other side, we have given partition with a small piece, so we get like this. Our pencil box is ready. To get our online lessons and the latest updates, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.